are heading to seashore, popularly called corniche, for the fishing. हेरौँ अब त्यहाँ गएर चाहिँ फिसिङ रड होइन हातैले च्याप च्याप माछा समाउने योजना छ अहिले। हेरौँ कतिको माछाहरू पाइन्छ।
Landmark and Goa Plaza, and Sunday to Wednesday at the mall.
Arrived here at corniche. This is a starting part of the corniche, and from here is sent to the other part of Doha. यो चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो ठाउँ रहेछ यहाँनिर. So some boats, steam boats are also behind. पछाडि बोटहरू छन्. And if you round this way, and the places behind me is a Doha city. That's Doha Bazar. The other side of this corniche, this is been built very nicely. Actually, here is some steamboats and boats, and for that it's been built, I guess. Very रमाइलो रहेछ. And in addition of that, the weather is very good today here. Is the exact place to have a boat and ride on. We are entering in, and if you see left and right of me, there are a lot of boats are docked. Oh, so awesome! The weather is awesome, place is awesome. Are here, they're just enjoying the weather, and if you like to have a boat is also already docked on the port here. Look, एकदमै गजब रहेछ. Look around. This place is really awesome. I never been here before. It's the first time I have here, but it's very awesome. See, it's been built. I'm off the seas, and actually this bridge is jerking by the wave of seawater. And let's go to that end. This is actually a fishing place, I guess, because a lot of people are fishing. All of them are fishing. Hi. Look, the people with a very long fishing rod. Next time, definitely I will come here with the fishing rod. Also would catch some of the fish and fry it in the evening back in my room. Oh, this is a super nice place. Look around me. It's been built actually in the middle of water. Look, Over there water, my rear side is water, and if you look around, यो चाहिँ कतारको मेन बजारै भन्दा पनि हुन्छ. Qatar is actually a small country, and this is one part of the main city. And if you go to the other part of this cornice, and you'll see that the skyline of Qatar. All people are enjoying their own way. See, some are doing fishing, some are chilling out there on the ground, some other are jogging, running. That means you'll see all people enjoying their own way. That means refreshing. And if you guys are here in Qatar, this is a place I found a really good spot to chill out. Come and enjoy, guys. मलाई लाग्छ एउटा गिम्बल किन्नु पर्ने हो. Enjoy the views, enjoy the weather, enjoy sea, enjoy garden, trees. यो palm trees भन्दाखेरि पनि यसलाई के भन्छ भने this is not a date, no, this is date tree. That means a खजुरको बोट. खजुरको बोट. साथै गजबको ठाउँ. super place. Done. बच्चाहरू काम र त्यो अब भिडभाड प्रेसरहरूबाट दिगदारी हुनुभएको छ भने साथीहरू यहाँ आउनुहोस्, मजा गर्नुहोस्. Chill out here. I like it. The walking in the bato पनि कस्तो मजाले बनाएको छ. And if you look down there, and the sea is very near. If you step down 2 or 3 steps, you can touch the water. Look. And if you look right hand side to me, a garden, very nice garden, a ground, trees, people.